In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to brainstorm fresh ideas for a productivity channel. To start, I'm typing a prompt to find 10 unique niches that combine AI automation with minimalist habits for the year 2026. This search helps me identify how modern technology can be used to simplify a lifestyle rather than complicate it. As I scroll through the results, Perplexity suggests niches like AI-powered digital decluttering and minimalist morning routines that use automated scheduling. These ideas focus on using AI to manage repetitive tasks, which effectively reduces the mental load and decision fatigue of a busy day. The results also highlight low-noise remote work setups and capsule wardrobe planning, showing how broad the reach of AI-assisted minimalism can be. The tool even points out the best performing angles for these niches, such as 30-day experiments and before and after transformations. Now, I'll head down to the follow-up box to get even more specific. I'm asking the AI to generate 5 viral video titles along with a unique hook for each to help maximize viewer retention. The AI quickly provides catchy titles like, I rebuilt my entire team using AI, and I deleted 90% of my apps. Each title is paired with a specific hook that targets curiosity and promises a clear transformation, such as cutting stress in half or finishing work faster. By using these AI-generated hooks and titles, you can build a data-backed content strategy that is both trending and highly relevant to your audience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.